Are you looking for the best GoPro camera? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best GoPro camera on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. GoPro HERO 12 Black Waterproof Action Camera. GoPro's latest and most expensive camera, the HERO 12 Black, is its most capable. It's the first model to support HDR video, so it gets bluer skies and better shadows in mixed lighting, and it has a 10-bit GP log profile for pros who take the time for color correction. An 8:7 aspect sensor lets you record for YouTube, 16:9, or TikTok, 9:16. The camera can push 5.3K 60, 4K 120, or 2.7K 240, which gives you plenty of options for slow motion looks. It also offers an immersive hyperview angle and compatibility with the ultrawide Max Lens Mod 2.0 add-on lens, $99.99. Support for horizon-locked video and as well as time-lapse modes for star trails, auto light trails, and light painting are now available in the user-friendly Easy Control mode, too. Class-leading video stabilization. 10-bit HDR, GP log, and SDR video profiles. Up to 5.3K 60, 4K 120, or 2.7K 240 recording. More useful easy controls than on HERO 11. Front and rear displays. Pro controls and timecode sync. Tough, waterproof build. Small enough to mount in tight spots. Number 2. GoPro HERO 11 Black Waterproof Action Camera. The HERO 11 Black costs $50 less than the HERO 12 Black, but we recommend the latter for most people because of its HDR video profile and improved interface. However, there's an exception to that advice: GPS fanatics. If you travel the world or nation with your action cam and want to know where you were for every shot, you want a GPS. GoPro removed the feature from the HERO 12 Black, but the HERO 11 still has one. You won't miss out on too much to get the GPS. The HERO 11 uses the same 8:7 aspect sensor, supports 5.3K 60, 4K 120, and 2.7K 240 recording modes with 10-bit SDR color, and works with the same media mod accessory cage. Great-looking 5.3K 60 video, 4K 120 and 2.7K 240 slow motion, 10-bit color sampling, numerous time-lapse modes, waterproof to 33 feet. Solid touch interface and voice command support. Subscription service with useful features. Number 3. GoPro HERO 10 Black Waterproof Action Camera. GoPro keeps its older models on sale when a new one comes out, but cuts the price. That means you can get the HERO 10 Black for $249.99. It's the best value GoPro you'll find thanks to its 8-bit 5.3K 60, 4K 120, and 2.7K 240 video. It also works with the same media mod accessories as the HERO 11 and HERO 12. Vloggers looking to put a camera kit together may find it to be a good alternative to the HERO 12 because it leaves a bit more room in the budget for the media mod or Volta handle. You can skip a gimbal for handheld recording in action too, as the HERO 10's hypersmooth digital stabilization is nearly as good as in newer models. 5.3K capture at up to 60 frames per second. 120 frames per second 4K for slow motion. Class-leading video stabilization. Front-facing color screen. Waterproof without an add-on case. Media mod support. Extended run enduro battery available as add-on. Wi-Fi and USB transfer for phones and tablets. Number 4. GoPro MAX Waterproof 360 Plus Traditional Camera. The GoPro MAX is a dual-lens camera for 360-degree creators. It provides a substantially different creative experience than other action cameras, giving you the option to share an all-around view for VR headsets or pull out 16:9 frames for flat screens. The latter gives editing wizards the ability to highlight an important portion of a scene, and even pan from one portion to another to guide the viewer's eye. Creative effects like the Little Big Planet extruded view and 24-style split screen are possibilities too. The Max is certainly a specialty tool, but one that can reward creators with skill in the field and the editing room. It's an especially attractive pick for vloggers because of its microphone quality, which is the best of any GoPro. 360-degree capture. Also works as a single-lens camera. Intuitive software tools. Strong stabilization. Good in-camera audio. Waterproof without a case. Integrated mounting clips. Number 5. GoPro HERO 8 Black Retail Bundle. The reimagined shape is more pocketable, and folding fingers at the base let you swap mounts quickly. A new side door makes changing batteries even faster, and the lens is now 2x more impact resistant. Hyper Smooth 2.0 Smooth just got smoother. Now HERO 8 Black has 3 levels of stabilization: on, high and boost, so you can pick the best option for whatever you do. Get the widest views possible, or boost it up to the smoothest video ever offered in a HERO camera. Plus, Hyper Smooth 2.0 works with all resolutions and frame rates, and features in-app horizon leveling. Time Warp 2.0 captures super stabilized time-lapse videos while you move through an activity. And now, Time Warp 2.0 automatically adjusts speed based on motion, scene detection, and lighting. You can even slow down the effect to real time, savoring interesting moments, and then tap to speed it back up. Live Burst, record the moments 1.5 seconds before and after your shot, so you can choose the best single frame for the perfect photo or an awesome shareable video. What's in the bundle? GoPro HERO 8 camera, shorty, head strap, 32GB SD card, and 2 rechargeable batteries. Video capture resolution, 4K UHD 2160p. Lens type, fisheye.